MotoFest. Had to get this place cleaned up from last night.
I know. We had such a great turnout. It was so fun. Yes. Don't y'all want to be in the video?
Just so we know, out of like 25 people.
The champ! Babe, I am married to a winner.
Yeah, well, there we go.
All right, let's get this bitch loaded up.
Yeah. All right, there she is.
Is MotoFest, is this the first time they put this on? I've never heard of it before.
Yeah, no, neither have I. So I think it is the first time.
There she is.
Look at that beauty.
Glory.
Ready to go.
Hello, lady.
What up, girl? What up, girl?
Look at that bad bitch.
What up, girl?
Okay. Wait, can you do that again? Just one more time.
What up, girl? What up?
Okay,
all right.
Get to work.
Yeah, we gotta make it happen.
Can you imagine you dropped it?
Not happening. Not happening. Dude, you're the best, man.
Oh, you guys brought the bike, man.
I had to, of course.
Right,
Thank you so much.
1, 2.
Thanks, sir.
3.
Follow you?
We can go this way. Can I hop in?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, just straight, and then we'll show her the passes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Done it just a couple million times.
Yeah. You're only allowed to bring it over here if you will it.
One wheel the whole way.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Done. Dude, loving it. It
Oh,
runs damn good too.
What's that?
I said it runs damn good.
Yeah.
Even though it's brand new.
What kind of wheels are those?
Carbon.
I know.
BST.
BSD?
Yeah. Get in the truck, it's raining.
Okay, so we just left MotoFest.
MotoFest.
I'm driving. Get
that's
your
the
seatbelt on. If you
Got
were at MotoFest, then you know it was raining pretty much on and off all weekend. But other than that, like, it was really cool. There were a lot of good vendors out there. They had some good food. I mean, I'm always a fan of the frozen lemonade and corny dog / pretzel business. So
Pretzel
yeah. What?
What are you talking
Pretzels.
about?
Pretzels. The big hot pretzel business. Like,
no, that's good.
you
Yeah,
know,
you're talking about the $12 pretzel?
Yes, if
yeah,
this,
I'm sure
if
not
Moto
advertising.
Bros doesn't work out, then we're opening a pretzel stand, I decided.
Yeah. Like there was no advertising. The only reason we knew about it because Motul was like, "Hey, you need to go."
Yeah,
to this event.
Motul is the one who told us about it. Otherwise, I didn't see it on Facebook. I didn't see it on Instagram. I didn't see it in any of the riding groups. I saw nothing about it.
Yeah.
So I'm actually curious how anybody knew it was happening because I don't know.
Yeah, the advertising was pretty bad, but
It could have been really cool. It was cool, but it could have been so much better if they had gotten the word out.
right.
So other than that, you know, we chatted with some vendors, some sponsors. We, you know, hung out with Motul all day. We were passing out giveaway cards. It was really awesome to meet a lot of you. You know, if you stopped by the Motul booth and saw the Grom, then you know how amazing it is. The weather could have been better for sure, but, you know, I don't know, like...
No, it was good. I enjoyed it because anything motorcycles I enjoyed.
Yeah.
And then,
I really wanted to buy some stuff. They had lots of vendors out there selling stuff.
Must be nice, huh? You living the high life? Jesus.
Yeah, you make the money, I spend it.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's a wrap on MotoFest, a wrap on the day. We're gonna go pick up the kids, go to the shop, get out of my shot.
MotoFest.
So, you
Yeah, it
guys
was
make
cool.
sure that you guys are subscribed to our YouTube, following us on Instagram. Lots of fun stuff coming. If it would stop raining in Dallas and ruining all of our events. But we've got a lot of cool stuff planned, so see you guys later.